I want to just talk about the different parts of a technical drawing for a second. Let's take a look over here. This is called the isometric view. The isometric view shows you the object kind of in 3D. There's hidden geometry here, which is usually showed with dashed lines, which you don't need to worry about just yet, but maybe later on in the unit. Let's start at the top. Here you've got your name, your class, your date, and the level. This is the demonstration, so it is the demo level. Your name and class and date and all other writing are usually written in very clear, all caps text. The reason for that is clarity. That's the name of the game with technical drawing. From the top, you can see that basically what we're doing is we're looking down at this object as if from the top. So we don't see the side here, but we see this area and this area. From the side, we see this face of the object, and it would look like that. And from the front, we would see this face of the object. I included here the hidden geometry that would be shown behind it if that were to be looked at from here. We have dimensions, which are basically a fancy word for the measurements or labels that tell you the size of the object. What else? That's basically it. Everything is very clear. What I want to draw your attention to is the way that these line up. When you're creating a technical drawing, you can actually take your ruler and only have to measure a few times in order to get the whole thing down. So if you know that this is the edge, you could draw a single line down so that these line up and all your edges are lining up, and it makes it a lot easier to see what is related to what. And you can see just like that everything lines up clearly. So when I made this drawing, I only had to measure an inch wide here because that's this width. I had to measure the length, which was 2 inches, that's here. And I had to measure the height, which was 1.5 inches from here to here. And I looked at here to get that measurement. The other measurement, of course, was this back end at 1 inch, from 3 to 4 there. And everything just goes straight across. So you don't actually have to do a lot of measuring. This is how a technical drawing should be laid out. You've got your isometric view here, top, side, and front view here. And when you start the assignment, you're just going to get the isometric view, and you're going to have to create the top, side, and front views yourself. And I'm going to walk you through how to do that.